friends, welcome back. We're going to be talking today, Saxon 76, 4th edition, Lesson 8, Perimeter. Some notes for your notebook. How to find the perimeter of any shape. We add up all the sides. Doesn't matter the shape, we add up all the sides. However, circles are a little different. The perimeter of a circle is called a circumference. And it's kind of hard. You can't take a ruler, right, and like measure. I don't even know what, I was just sitting here. I don't know what I did with my ruler, but you can't take a ruler and you can't measure a circle. So that one we'll talk about a little bit later, but I just want you to remember that the perimeter of a circle, we call that a circumference. So that's a good idea. All right, let's jump into these examples. So again, perimeter, add up all the sides. We're going to take 30 millimeters right here, plus 30 more millimeters, plus 20 millimeters. That's going to give us 80 millimeters. Now, when you are dealing with geometry or units like feet, yards, miles, centimeters, millimeters, kilometers, whatever, you have to use your units in your answer. If I was your teacher and you did not put a unit on it and it needed a unit, I would mark it wrong. So make sure to use your units. All right, this is a square here, and I know it's a square because all the sides are the same. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. We end up with 5, 10, 15, 20 centimeters for my perimeter of the square. All right, it's just that easy, folks. So here are your practice problems. Go ahead and pause the video, do these problems, and then come on back, make sure you did it correctly. All right, for A, we have a square here. Remember, a square is the same on all sides. So 12, 12, 12. There are 4 12s here, so if we do 12 times 4, that gives us 48. So this guy right here, the perimeter is 48 millimeters. All right, a rectangle. Now, remember, if you multiply these two, that's actually area, but I want perimeter. So this guy's 20, which means this one has to be 20. This guy's 15, this has to be 15. So I'm going to take 20 plus 20, which is 40, 15 plus 15, which is 30, and I am going to add those together to get 70 millimeters for my perimeter. All right, this pentagon right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so this is just going to be 5 centimeters. All right, equilateral triangle, that means all the sides are the same. So this is 2, this is 2. So we end up with 2, 4, 6 centimeters for our equilateral triangle perimeter. For our trapezoid, we've got 10 and 10 is 20, plus 20 more is 40. 40 plus 15, and if you can do it in your head, that's fine too, but you should show where you're getting your numbers from. And I got the 15 from there, but show how you come up with 55 millimeters. Even if you just write down like, hey, I added these all together. You got to show how your brain works. All right, the perimeter of a square is 60 centimeters. How long is each side? Remember, a square is the same on all sides. So if I add up all these sides, I'm getting 60. Well, they're all the same and there are 4 sides. So let's take 60 and divide that by 4. 4 goes into 6 one time. Subtract and bring down. 4 goes into 25 times with no remainder, so each side would have to be 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 15 plus 15 is another 30. 30 plus 30 gives us 60. And it's square centimeters, so we say centimeters. 15 centimeters for each side. All right, guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, it's just that easy, and I'll see you next time.